we are looking at the Aussie dollar paired with the US dollar. The banks are invested short, so we got a bit of a pullback here. This is the monthly time frame. See where it's traded into currently, the base of this. So we've got this big resistance level through here on the 1 month time frame. Can it trade further north? Yep, but it's going to run into quite a big pool of buy stops. Let's just go down to the weekly right here. At the moment, this has taken out all this liquidity resting above these highs here. Funds, institutions, retail, everyone's short with their stops still resting here have been taken out. I think a lot of people got wiped out on Thursday and Friday with this move. It's pretty big. That's why you want to be careful. I did a video on risk management and how to survive when the market goes against like this. So we've got this monthly nested with a weekly resistance, and I'm always looking for the path of least resistance. At the moment, from what I can see here, given that we've run into this resistance here, the path of least resistance for me would be back down in through here. And just coming back onto the monthly time frame, I mean, look at this. So let's just grab a fib. If this is a trend continuation, so we've got these highs here, and if we pull a Fibonacci from this level, so I'll just call that a monthly level, just distribution, monthly, down we go, pulls back, grab a fib from the high down to the body low. Yeah, there's room for this to move further north. However, they've got to get through these lows here. And this high, you can see here, big resistance through here, guys. So there are a lot of buy stops resting at that level in the order books. Now they're soaking that up. Is that enough to roll this over? That's the question. I'm thinking, yeah. I think we see possibly a retrace. Now, having a look at this on the weekly, we've got a big red candle under here. We'll just grab that. This would be a target for me. But then we'll go down to the lower time frame as well and just have a look. We'll have a look at it on the daily. Yeah, have a look at this too, by the way. Look, see this range through here, all the way through this range. This is the banks working this market. And what they do here is they spike it up into these levels up here. So they set up this range. They've got a ton of traders in here short, building stops above here, and look what they do. So they whip it up in there, and then what you see is this huge candles, a lot of volume. This is huge. So what's this? Is it a reversal, or is it a spike back up in to take out these stops so that they can trade it south? So that's a question that you want to be considering. Now, given the monthly, yeah, I mean, they're going to probably maybe look to take out a bit more above here, possibly, given that they haven't even hit the 50% yet. So that could trade up into the 61.8, up into these levels, quite possibly. So we've got over here, this low on the monthly. Okay, that's a target, and this 61.8 fib, in my opinion, is a target. Now, in saying that, let's just go down to the daily, and I really think that we could see, here's the thing, if it is going to head into these levels, okay, that makes sense. That pullback makes sense to me, given that they've run into this level here. So, I'm just sort of weighing up a few pros and cons, and I think, if anything, my bias is to sell here. So let's just go down to the daily and have a look at it and understand the risk too. Can this trade further north? Yeah. But I'm thinking, like, in terms of the path of least resistance, we've traded into this zone. That's big resistance. So does it? Yeah, we've got this distribution on the daily. So we could throw that in there as a point of interest. So 1D. I won't be buying at that level. That's for sure. And if anything, I'll be looking to trade this back down through this price swing. Let's just have a look. We've got this low to high at the moment. Decent price swing. Let's grab a Fibonacci here. That makes sense to me. At least a pull back down into the 50, even the 61.8 fib zone. I'm inclined to actually short that and understand the risk, guys. Where's your stop? Well, I would probably go above this daily level over here, at least. Take it up above that. Short down into, well, look, given that the monthly is bearish, I would definitely go for broke with my risk reward. I'd be looking to take 2/3 of my position off right here as it trades down into these highs. Nice. Okay, I like that. There you go. There's a T1. And understand the risk. look, I'm going to give this 70% that it retraces here. Leave 30%. So probability factor is fairly good. I've got a 70% that this will reach my target, and there's also a 30%. There's got to be room for this to. The probability factor I like for this target, the possibility it just trades north without me, that's there as well. So that's why you got to manage your risk. Go in with conservative lot sizes. Don't overdo it. And if that gets taken out, it's no big deal. So consistency, conservative lot sizes. If it reaches target, I'll pull that down to above this high. That's well and truly in the money. If the stop gets taken out after that, it's profitable. And there's a 6-to-1 risk reward at least down to this level. Let's just have a look and see where we can go with this. Go back out to the weekly. What do we got? Okay, so here's a couple of levels here. These lows are a target. That's on the weekly. These lows are a target here, under here. So what else have we got? Have a look at it on the monthly and just see what we got left. Here we go, look. Here's a target down in here. These lows, monthly target. I like that. And if that's the case, then we come back over to our daily. The thing with this is, you know, you've got a 6-to-1 risk reward, which is quite nice. But if this trends down, we stay in it until we see a change in the trend. You know, and who knows? I mean, look at this swing, for example. Look what we got out of that. If you entered short up in this level here, right? So that kind of a move with a third of your position still running, don't you love it? So, guys, that's my take on the Aussie dollar. Be aware of the risk. And I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. I hope you have a great day. Make sure you click the link below and jump on board our Telegram. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.